right? 21 divided by 3 is 7. Now we've got n. Now we've got n. N is now how much? 7. That means 20 is the last term, and there are 7 terms in the series. Now we need to find the sum. So, because that's the question, find the sum of the series. So here we go. S7 is equal to 7 into 11. So S7 is equal to 7 times 11, 77. Guys, that's your final answer, and this would be type 1. Very popular question, guys. Very, very popular question, asked many times. Go through all your past papers, go through your textbook. You will always find this type of a question. Now, the only difference, if this was geometric, this was arithmetic, they might ask you in terms of geometric. They might tell you 1, 3 over 2, 9 over 4, 27 over 8, 81 over 16, going on to infinity, find the sum of the series. The only difference, guys, is that you won't be using your arithmetic formula and your Tn formula for arithmetic. You'll be using your Sn formula for geometric from your formula sheet or from the mind map from the previous episode that I gave you, and the Tn formula for geometric. Okay, let's look. Let's do type 1. This was arithmetic, so we'll put here arithmetic. Let's do one with geometric. Let's do one in terms of geometric. So you'd say, okay, Mr. K, we want to see what does a geometric one look like. This was arithmetic. We're now going on to geometric. So please make sure you are recording these shows. Please make sure if you don't have a PVR and you're not recording these shows, that you're going back onto the itvnetworks.tv website. Go click on the KWay icon, click onto our repeat episodes, and make sure you go over them over and over and over again. Remember, you need to master this. You need to know this by memory. These are templates. Okay, these are not just work examples, guys. These are exam style questions, and these are templates. Let's look at type 1. We're still under type 1 because it's the same style, but only not under arithmetic, now under geometric. Okay? Right, let's now go under geometric. So let's do type 1, geometric. So now I tell you, we get 1, 3 over 2, 9 over 4, plus going on to infinity, and I tell you that we have it equal to 8. It has a last term. Oh, we tell you that the sum of this here, we got 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is 1.5. 1 comma 5, 9 over 4, 9 over 4. Let's work out what is 9 over 4. 9 divided by 4 equals 2,25. So we got 1.5, 2,25. Let's say 8,75, for example, right? Plus 8,75. We're just making it up. Let's see. Does it work? Doesn't it work? I'm making it up as we go along. Remember, mathematics is just about chopping and changing numbers. But you follow the same process. So you can make up any number provided it makes sense and your calculator doesn't give you an error at the end. We don't know. This one gives us an error, bombed out. Okay, find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series. Let's pray. Let's hope it works. Okay, the same thing now. Now we know that this is geometric. So Sn, we now need to find R. Let's find your common ratio. Right, 1 times what will give me 3 over 2? 1 times 3 over 2 will give me 3 over 2. 3 over 2 times 3 over 2 will give me 9 over 4. So obviously you know your next term here is going to be times 3 over 2, which is going to be 9 times 3 is 27 over 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, they're not asking you to extend, but I'm just showing you that it's a geometric series. Okay, so R is 1 comma 5, 3 over 2, which is equal to 1 comma 5. Now we know R is greater than 1. So Sn, our formula when R is greater than 1, if R is greater than 1, then what is our formula? Sn equals A into R to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1. Again, Sn is equal to A, first term, 1, into R, 3 over 2, to the power n, minus 1 over R 3 over 2 minus 1. Again, what am I short of? I'm short of n. It's exactly the same as our previous one. Okay, guys, what I'd like you to do, we're cutting now for a 3-minute ad break. What I'd like you to do, I want you to complete it. You've got your books, complete it, do it exactly like we did the previous one, but do it for geometric. I'll give you the solution after the break.